In this video, I will be showing you how to link a cell. So linking cells in our contracts allows us to automatically pull over information from the estimate screen. One important thing to remember here is that if we link an item to something in our price guide and it's not added to the estimate screen, it's just not going to appear in the contract at all. It's just going to be blank. But if we do add that linked item into our estimate, we can choose specific information about that item in our price guide that we want to pull over. So I'm going to show you how to link this first cell here, the shingle type. To do that, I'm first going to click on the cell so that's highlighted, and then I'm going to go up to Settings. From Settings, I'm going to go down to the bottom of our menu here and choose Link Measure Sheet Item. That's going to bring up our linking menu. Now for shingles, I'm going to want to link this to an item in our roofing category. So I'm going to click on roofing, and it's going to give me a list of all of the items that are in our roofing category. Now, my price guide only has one item under roofing, and that's our shingles, and that's exactly what we need for this example. So I'm going to check off the box here for shingles. It's going to say 1 up here for one linked item. Then I'm going to click Done. So now this one cell here is linked back to the shingles in our price guide. So that doesn't quite complete the linking process. We've linked it to our price guide, but we're not telling Leap what information in that price guide we want to pull over. To do that part, we're going to have to use some placeholders. So in our documentation, we have our placeholders. You can see all the sorts of different information in here that we can pull over into our contracts. For this item, I'm going to go ahead and use selection name as my placeholder. This will allow me to bring over the name of the item, the name of the shingle that's in my price guide. So when I've added a shingle to my estimate and I've chosen which style I wanted and all of that good stuff, when we get to this contracts, this is going to pull over automatically the name of that shingle style that I've entered into my price guide. So I've just copied that placeholder, and to add it into the cell, I'm going to need to go to Settings, and under Default Value, in here, this is where I can paste in my placeholder. Hit the Save button afterwards. So now that I've linked the cell and added a placeholder, this information will come over automatically to my contract from the estimate screen. Pretty awesome, huh?